Hello guys, we're going out. We're going Madinat Zayed Mall. Lalakad lang kami mga 10 minutes. Dati Mirastamo nun. Mga 10 minutes siguro. Diyan na kami. Isang kanto lang kasi siya. Kayang-kayang lakarin. Yan, si Eliana may scooter. Para kung tama rin siyang maglakad, madali lang siya hilahin. Yan, dito lang kami, isang signal, tapos doon sa kabila yun. It was beautiful. Daddy? Mommy? You? Me! Medyo masikip ang daan. May ginagawa na naman sila dito. Ito na ang Madinat Zayed Shopping Center. So, ganoon lang siya kalapit sa amin. Dito meron silang ano yun, market. Night market. Parang kagaya sa atin, mga inihaw, ang mga tinda nila. Barbecue. Yan, sarado pa. Kasi mamaya pa siya mag-open. Ngayon ay 4:30 pa lang. Oh, go na with daddy. Itong Madinat Zayed, isa to sa mga old mall ng Abu Dhabi. Kaya yung design niya ganyan. Yan, halos mga paninda nila dito, yung mga iba-ibang tela, iba-ibang yan, mga damit nila dito. Pupunta tayo sa Lulu. Mag-grocery ng konti. Hanap tayo ng sticky rice. Magkakalamay tayo bukas. Yung konti lang nakalamay. Ay, ni daddy oh. Mas mura yung pakeni. Dito sa Lulu. Ito yung ginagamit ko pag nagluto ako ng arroz caldo. At saka ng kalamay. Yan.
Kalamay with that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want kalamay? 2 kilos. 18 dirhams. Maghanap naman tayo ng what's next? Daddy, what's next?
Red horse.
Eh? Gata!
No, the
Ang
next.
gata dito,
no, the
mas okay
next
pa yung
one-
nakalata kaysa
the
sa
next
fresh.
one
Kasi yung
is
fresh,
candy.
hindi,
The next one is
wala ka masyadong
candy.
makukuha.
The next one is candy.
Ay, candy and red horse. Talaga
Yeah.
man.
Papa, this is cute.
Bibili tayo ng aluminum tray, yung maliit lang. Yung kakasya sa ating air fryer. Para sa kalaman. Wala kaming nabiling gata. Doon na lang kami bibili sa maliliit na groceries. Gulay. Ayan ang kanilang mga paninda. Tinapay. Why?
But you're not eating pizza.
I don't even want them.
What do you want?
Nothing.
Whatever, nothing.
Okay, we go na. Uy, what is this? This one looks... dendeng kare lang. Yan, mga produkto nila yan dito.
Mommy, Mommy, I like
Ay,
this
natikman
one.
na ako dyan. Ay,
Mommy,
ito
I like
no.
this
Natikman
one.
ko na to.
Mommy, I like
Masarap.
this one.
No, we don't need it. Next time na.
Oh.
Then, what else? I thought you want strawberry.
Strawberry and banana.
Strawberry and banana. Mag-samji tanan. Sali kong manipis sa babi.
Mommy, can you get me strawberry?
Okay.
Yay.
Only strawberry na, no banana. Not banana. Eliana wants strawberry. So, ito na ang ating prutas for New Year. Ang lalaki. Parang maasim la anak. This one. Daddy, mamili na ka. Oh, this one looks good.
That's fine.
Oh.
See, Mommy.
Don't step on them, ne?
I'm excited to eat it when we come back.
We'll get bananas. Mommy wants bananas. Oh, Daddy, plastic. Wala ka tang plastic. We get 3 pieces
Look at
of
this.
orange.
I'm stop.
No, not good.
I'm not the greatest.
Get this one.
It's green.
It looks
The one with only like little green. What about this?
taste maasim. No, that's small.
Mom, you're only doing it for yourself. You have
Oh, you choose na sige. Choose one. It's pangit kasi. Oh, Daddy, you turo, Daddy. You turo.
Na. Yung mga pizza. Diyan mo kayo ito.
Try that one. This one. No, de. Buri na kasi yellow. Oh, wait, ha? I'll choose one for you. Oh, sige. Yay. Oh, one for...
one for me, one for mommy, one for daddy.
Diyan rin na.
Bread.
Biscuit.
Bread.
Biscuit.
Bread. What kind of biscuit? Ah?
Cheerios.
I choose. Oh, sige. These are Filipino breads. Oh, this one looks pretty. Ay, aliya man ensaymada panderosa, ano. Kaya alay laman siguro kulog din eh. Kasi for kaya.
Something else.
Oh, you choose something else again. Here there is Oy, ningin sa imada tamoy. We have also donuts. Donut pie. No.
But I want the pink.
No. Other bread na mo, right? Donuts, how much, eh? Mas mali.
Yama.
Mas mali pa, baby. Ini yan sa imada tamo. Ale, try ta niya ini, sige. Try ta niya ini, ha? Piling pera palaman na ito. Higit na ka? Higit na ka? Oh.
Ito, mahal din. 6
Kasi bangot yun. Which bread do you want? Oh, don't step. That's for mommy. Which bread do you want? Oh, sige. Which bread do you want? This one. Ube. Ha? Ha? Which one? Daddy, magkanya ini? Ay, oh, see. Wala bang aliwa? Katorsi. You want donuts na mo? Donuts? Ha? Oh, you're happy now with donuts? What is that?
Strawberry.
Ah, o sige. Magkano?
For you, Dad, you
1.25.
got chocolate.
Oh, you get chocolate. One chocolate, one vanilla.
Mommy.
You choose. It's here. No.
Where's the chocolate?
Oh. It's a small donut mo, anak.
But this is not the same. You have to be this one.
I think it's more expensive. Una nga bakal na. Only one na, ma. O, sige. No, next week you'll go to school na. Oh, you choose chocolate or honey? Honey.
Sweet
Huh?
honey.
Yeah.
Huh?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. O, sige.
Dad,
Ma, mag-asa ko sana.
this, Dad, can you cut it?
See, this is worth the price. It's 12 pieces.
It's okay. You can bring it.
Daddy,
back.
check the date.
You cannot do it.
Croissant. Oh, 12 pieces na yan siya. Check the date. No way.
Lala ko.
Ah. Ay, ni. Ano?
June.
Sit down, baby. No.
Dad, put me down. Let me go and put me down.
You're going out of there. You will go down talaga. After market, we go to food court. Atala yata ka kain. Alamok do, baby.
Stop it.
Chicken tanang chicken. We sit there, oh.
I get the couch.
You're happy?
Yeah,
Why you're happy?
because I have my own mom.
Of course, we all have our own mommy. I have only one mama. Daddy has only one mama.
But I also saw some videos that I also saw they have two mommies.
Yeah, you want two mommy?
I only want my own.
Gugutom na. We talk to them.
Hi.
Hi, how are you guys?
Hi.
We're here in Madinat Zayed Mall. What did you do here in Madinat?
Last time it was a boy's birthday and we go there.
Ah, you remember? Kuya? Kuya?
I don't remember.
Blaine Joseph.
Name.
Blaine Joseph Yapin.
It also have daddy's
His daddy's friend.
yeah, his daddy's friend, like Jesus' dad, his friend, and even the boy.
Yeah, and
Now
the one who sing Pachiya Pachi.
His
Sing it,
brother,
Dili?
his brother.
Yeah, the youngest one. The
He
younger one. Oh, shoot to them, Dali.
Game starts. Pacha pacha, pacha pacha, pacha pacha, pacha pacha, pacha pacha, pacha pacha, kissy babe, Santi Bonja. I tried to kiss a lip for real. Red hot, stuck for money.
Nakait
Give me
yung sarili.
something I can feel. Won't you want me like I want you, baby? Won't you need me like I need you now? Sweet tomorrow, if the night gone crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the pacha pacha, pacha pacha, pacha pacha, pacha pacha, pacha pacha, pacha pacha,
Very good.
He's gonna get the food.
Yeah, that is coming now.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
You want fries only, right?
I will eat the other. Not
Fries
only
and
that.
chicken?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Ah, that's the grilled chicken. This is for baby. And for
Alcohol.
daddy. And this one for mommy. There is almost. Daddy, can you open, Daddy?
Want that? I got it na.
Ah,
I
wala
got-
ko na kaya.
I got it.
Dito kaya pa. But it's good for me na. I get the legs.
Thank you. You
And this
have
is the
legs?
food.
I
Yeah.
don't like legs. You're eating your own legs?
Talaga naman. Talagang chicken legs.
Eating your own legs? Okay, dude.
Let's
Dude,
eat
this
na.
is yours, dude.
Kaya pa lang guys. Ayun yung baligo. Wala tamang.
What's that thing in here?
Wala tamang.
Oh, there's nothing.
Yeah, it's only bread.
Daddy, you get one of this.
In order
Ay,
na.
sana yung spicy.
Yun yung spicy.
Give me the fries. Please. Ah, ganun lang.
Thanks, Dad.
Eat the chicken also. This one.
Para ko na naman eh.
Give the other one to mommy.
Mommy, this one. Mommy, this is good.
Keep it there. I will take it.
Eat ka more na.
Ay, mang gobi. Kubos. Daddy, you try it. Ay, may manok na balaan mo. Balaan mo, balaan. Kubos. At saka
This part on it. This part. Yeah, that.
little chicken.
Sun doesn't, it's like wiggly.
Warm lang. Tama yun. Mas malaman sa tama. Ay.
Yeah, I also get this one. I also get this one in the side. Why does that, Mom?
Baka yun.
Dry naman yung manok ko. Ada pala makanta. Dry mo.
Can I have a taste?
No, he will say. Then when he will say when the guy will not know what he wants, he will
Daddy,
do
you
this
try.
side. He'll do this side,
Ah,
and then
balo mo na
he
yung
was
malasa.
pointing to his girlfriend. He was pointing to his
Last garlic.
daddy. He was pointing to his girlfriend. That
Oh.
and then the man ran to him out. Hey, Dad, pretend I'm the. No, no, I am it.
San may nanong burina, pamangan. Iba turo na yung girlfriend, hindi pamangan.
Or have more ketchup. Malaman niya naman yung garlic
Next
mayo.
time
Dan
I pass it to you.
Ay, talaga naman. Ay, taklang maniac.
Anong buri yun?
Kalasan niya ang order ng tama. Oh, pangay doon ako. Hindi na. Hindi naman niya manin. Nyaman niya naman yung karela mo. Ay. Mas manyaman yung garlic mayo. Lagi kaming bumibili nito yung
Mommy, can I have
buong
tissue?
grilled manok.
Mommy, I need tissue.
Hindi. Pero usually yung binibili namin, isang buo na may kasama rin ganito. Hummus. Karing hummus ne. At saka garlic mayo na may soup, na may vegetable salad. Pero isang buong manok na yun. Ito 2 pieces lang. Tinry lang. Spicy siya. So, wala ganito yung pagkain nila. Oh. Yung kubos, lalagyan ng manok na grilled. Ididip dito sa daddy na niya sila. Hummus. Yung kubos, yun po yung tinapay. Yung hummus, itong parang ano to, made of talong.
Chickpeas.
Chickpeas. Yung ganitong kulay, made of chickpeas. Yan, oh. Napaka pino niya, pinong-pino. Tapos, ididip mo pa sa garlic mayo. Masarap.
You want this one?
Dito, pag kumakain ka sa mga
Make hapon niya.
ganito, hindi masyado yung rice.
Thank
Ito ang pinaka-rice nila yung kubos.
Let chicken
Ganito, tapos ubo.
and then bite bread. You mix it together.
Like chicken
It's
bread?
like chicken bread.
I
Burger.
already say that. For fried bread. Like with fried plus here.
It's not good with rice. It's
Or
good
with
with chicken.
ketchup in here?
You can put ketchup.
So this is bread, normal bread.
You don't like the normal bread?
I like it.
Yung binibili namin na buong
Mix it with
chicken,
chicken.
35 yun
Crispy.
dati na. 35, 32. Ha?
35.
35? So, itong in-order kong to, luging-luging. Kasi 16 dirhams to, 2 piece lang na maliliit. Eh, yung 35, isang buong ano na manok.
Last sides.
Ha?
Last sides. Side
Oo.
dish.
Aray ko? Diba? May kasama ng mga ano yun, side dishes. Sa susunod yun na ipapakita namin sa inyo. Ha? Marunong na nga dati. Oh, anak, you tell them. Sa mga baguhan pa lang sa aming channel, you introduce yourself, dali.
No, I don't know.
We are Diet Spam. And this is my mommy. Oh, talk to them. And this is my baby. Daddy, grab it. And I'm Daddy.
And I'm the Pogi.
And it's Daddy Pogi.
He is hanging.
He's the pangit daddy kan o ng Iliana.
He's the panginest daddy ever.
No. If your daddy is pangit, then you are pangit.
No, I'm not pretty.
You
see
will look
me?
like daddy.
Do you see what I'm wearing?
Do you see your nose?
They say you look like daddy.
They'll never say that. They'll say daddy looks like mommy.
Para lang ano to, parang binalot na shawarma. Yung mga shawarma dito masarap kasi puro laman ng manok or beef. Tapos sasamahan lang nila ng konting fries at saka
Mommy, my mouth puts blood
diba
on
may
this.
gulay.
My mouth puts blood on this. Mommy, my mouth puts blood on this.
Put it. Take it, I mean.
I'm joking. I don't have blood in my mouth. But I can make pink color with the ketchup.
This is not ano.
White? But it have to, you can make white.
Ay, it's mayo pa din.
You see? A little bit of white. Later, guys.
So we're gonna enjoy our food and see you later, guys. Yum, 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 yum.
Open the door.
Dali. Go inside.
What kind of floor is the number one? First? No, what kind of place is there in the mall? I mean,
Hello guys, kami pupunta sa fish market. Parang ano yon, parang wet market dito. Pwede kang bumili ng baka or fish, seafood, gulay, yun. Mas mura doon, para siyang palengke sa atin. Ayan, bibili kami ng sangkap sa papaitan. Hindi na kami. Oh. Yan. Hindi ko na na-video lahat. Ang daming tao. Yan, Medina Zayed Market.
I don't wanna go home.
You don't want to go home?
Yeah. I don't
We
want
just
to
finished buying. Hindi ko na napakita. Ang daming tao. Bumili lang ako ng luya, sibuyas, lemon, at saka onion leaves. Para sa papaitan ni Daddy.
I thought to.
Here you go, Daddy.
And so,
So kami ilalakad na pa uwi.
I already know.
Ayan, ginabi na kami. Bukas na yung night market. Pero hindi na kami papasok kasi marami na kaming bit-bit.